Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. This is a pretty cool macro by our friend Eskimo. I don't know why I've never really seen it before, or maybe I have and I just didn't do a video on it. What is so cool about this, if we want to rotate this circle inside Corel, and we want, we don't know that we're going to go all the way around, we want 23 copies. Well, we're going to have to get out a calculator and go 360 divided by 23 is 15.652. So we're going to have to grab it and go 16 point whatever the number was, and then you're going to have to remember how many copies, so 23, or really 22 inside Corel, and you're going to get that. But you've got to use math and angles. Let's use the macro. We're going to use the same scenario. I can type in, I want it all the way around, and I want the total number to be 23. Look at that. It's doing the math. So this time, let's just do 15. Bam. Let's just say we want 2. We want one on the other side. It does the math for us. Let's say we want 47. Bam. Of course, they're touching. So I'll have a link to this rotator at the bottom of the video, and it's going to do a lot more things. Rotate individual objects, keep original objects selected. And you could do increments. I haven't even got into that yet. You could rotate 45 degrees, number of copies. Anyway, pretty cool. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.